In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoho Books certification. If you work with Zoho Books or you're building your accounting and finance skill set, this certification is a great way to validate your knowledge and stand out to clients or employers. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Zoho certification. To narrow it down, you can include the words Zoho Books certification in your search. In the results, look for the official Zoho training and certification page. Make sure the link is on the zoho.com domain so you know you're in the right place and not on a third-party site. This will take you to Zoho's central hub for training programs across their product lineup. On the Zoho Training and Certification Program page, you'll see information about different learning paths. Your goal here is Zoho Books. If you land on a general overview first, that's fine. We're about to dive into the certifications list. At the top of the page, in the main menu, click Certifications. This opens the catalog where you can review the available credentials. Locate Zoho Books, then take a moment to read the description, prerequisites, and any recommended training. It's helpful to note the exam format, delivery method, online, proctored, or in-person, where available, and the expected duration so you can plan your schedule. When you're ready to move forward, click Register Now. You'll be taken to a registration form. Here, carefully enter your details as requested, such as your name, business, email, organization, country, and any preferences related to location or time zone. If you already use Zoho, it's a good idea to use the same email associated with your Zoho account so your records stay aligned. Double-check that you've selected the Zoho Books certification track and review any consent or policy checkboxes. If you're prompted to sign into Zoho, go ahead and complete that step to continue your registration smoothly. After you finish, click Submit. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you'll typically receive a follow-up email with next steps. Keep an eye out for instructions about scheduling, exam fees if applicable, identification requirements, and how to access the exam portal. Add the date to your calendar, bookmark the certification page, and review any official study guides or sample questions provided. If you have access to a Zoho Books account, spend time exploring the workflows you'll be tested on, like invoicing, bank reconciliation, and automation, so you go into the exam confident and prepared. That's it. You search for the official Zoho page, open the certifications catalog, registered for Zoho Books, and submitted your details. Good luck on your certification journey, and I'll see you in the next video.